learn so much about our patients from our relatives. We talk to our relatives, we find out what sort of people are, their likes and their dislikes. And it's that disconnect. I understand why we have to protect our patients, we have to protect the public, but it makes it hard. It's hard for the relatives, their loved ones are here, they can't see them, they can't touch them, they can't hold them. It's really sad.
So you're filling that role really, you are kind of their immediate relatives in some respects.
Yeah, so we have to step in, we have to be their advocate and we have to be compassionate. And I think that's been the hardest thing. It's not having the families with their loved ones and our patients not having that contact with their family. So yeah, that's been the hard bit.
Have you moved away from your family
Yes,
to do this?
Yeah. I haven't seen my mum for quite a while, my children. Yeah, it's hard for everybody.
People don't, not because people don't care, but people don't ask us like that because it is too hard to answer those questions, isn't it? It is going to have to be hard to answer.
And you cried. But I didn't.
I've never seen you cry.
No, I cry though.
Deb, you've seen me, you saw me.
Just not in public. I try not to cry in public, but yeah, it's hard. We're all tired. We all want to see an end to this. But I think now, you know, there is some light at the end of the tunnel with the vaccine, but, you know, there's variants coming along all the time, and we do need to be vigilant, and we do all need to play our part, really. It's hard, but, you know, we just have to do it to see an end to it. Yeah.